Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can install Matplotlib on Python in a very simple way. But before that, you need to install and download Python into your computer. I already made a dedicated video about how to download Python in your computer. You can simply watch that video. If you already installed Python in your computer, then just recheck it by click on this start icon, go for all, and if you go for the P option over here, and then you can see I downloaded the Python over here. For making another time sure, what you can do, simply search for CMD and then click enter. And I'm going to open CMD over here, and from here we will recheck the Python space -- call version is installed or not. If you click on that, you can see you will get the Python 3.12.7, the latest version that we downloaded. So after that, what we're going to do, we're going to check the pipe space -- call version, and you can see it's already installed pip 24.2 from this drive over here. And now what we're going to do, we're going to download pipe install Matplotlib. Pipe install Matplotlib, and if you click install, and you can see it's already installed into my computer, but you have to go with this over here. So this is how you can download Matplotlib on Python in your computer. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope to see you for another videos. Till then, goodbye.